Hi students, problem number 13. For a ray refracted through a prism of angle 60 degree, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of emergence and each equal to 45 degree. So very beautiful sentence making is used here. Angle of incidence I1 is 45 degree and angle of emergence I2 is also 45 degree is given. First understand that given in the sentence. Now the refractive index of the material is to be determined. Very interesting question. In the previous problem also same concept we explained. So for a prism, when you draw the graph between the angle of incidence and the angle of deviation, ID curve. So in the ID curve, can you all see that at one position I1 is equal to I2? At that position the deviation will be minimum. It will be minimum. But for all the other positions, the deviation will be different. So now I am going to write the expression for the deviation. Okay, deviation is given by delta. Okay, so this first deviation plus angle of the prism is equal to I1 plus I2. Therefore deviation, deviation is equal to I1 plus I2 minus A. So this is the equation I require. I want to find the value of the deviation delta. So in this I1 is given as 45, I2 is also 45. Is it not? So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 45 degree and angle of the prism is given as 60 degree. Therefore delta is equal to I1 plus I2 is what? 45. Okay, plus 45 minus angle of the prism. So minus angle of the prism is 60 degree. So this is equal to 90 minus 60 and this is equal to 30 degree. Okay, here one beautiful sentence is given. You see here, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of emergence. That means our mind should tell us that this is the minimum deviation. Is it not? Because at the minimum deviation position only I1 will be equal to I2. So indirectly they have given the deviation produced 30 degree is what? Angle of minimum deviation. Okay, so this is therefore delta minimum, which is also represented in the usual symbol as capital D. So this is now equal to 30 degree. This is another very important information you must understand. Okay, now angle of the prism is 60 degree and angle of minimum deviation is 30 degree. So mu, the refractive index mu is equal to sine A plus D divided by 2 whole divided by sine of A by 2. Okay, so mu is now equal to sine of A. Angle of the prism is given as 60 degree. So this is 60 plus minimum deviation is 30 divided by 2 whole divided by sine of 60 by 2. So this is now equal to 60 plus 30, 90, 90 by 2 is 45. So this is a sine 45 divided by sine 30. So these two are very standard values, is it not? Sine 45 is what? 1 by root 2. So this is 1 by root 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. So mu is now equal to 1 by root 2 into 2 by 1. So this is equal to 2 divided by root 2. So this 2 can be split as what? Root 2 into root 2, is it not? So root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. So this can be cancelled. So this is equal to square root of 2. Square root of 2 is 1.414. Therefore mu is equal to 1.414. This is the refractive index of the material. So the option A is the right answer. Okay, so therefore option A is that is mu is equal to 1.414. This option A is the correct answer. Have you understood? So Once again, you read the problem till you understand, okay, but read very fast also. So, what sentence is given here? Indirectly, the deviation produced by the prism is equal to its minimum deviation. That is the only hitch here, okay. Otherwise, it is very direct problem. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.